Hi everyone, welcome to Dreams DIY. I am Soumya and this video is a tutorial on how to make these beautiful and vibrant wall mirrors. So let's get started from the very beginning. I made the two mirrors on these two wooden circles. I got them on Amazon and I'm going to provide you the link to these in the description box below. I'm applying Mod Podge. It is a fabric friendly Mod Podge and I'm going to stick this placemat on this wooden circle. I got this placemat from Goodwill. It is from their new section. So Goodwill also has a section that has products which have not been used. It's sometimes some stores donate them to Goodwill or I don't know how they get it, but I got it from there. It was for less than $2. You obviously might not find this placemat at Goodwill, but it's just to give you an idea of how to make a mirror out of a placemat. You can take any placemat. You can get a placemat from Walmart or some other store or whatever. If you have something at your house, you can use that as well. I already applied Mod Podge at the front of the wooden circle and pasted this, but just to secure the ends of the circle, I'm applying hot glue and I'm sticking all the edges at the back of the circle. Now that I'm done pasting the placemat on the wooden circle, I'm measuring it just to find where is the center of the circle, and I'm going to stick this mirror from Dollar Tree in the center. I'm going to again hot glue the mirror in the center. Once I'm sure that the circle is properly stuck at the center, I'm going to paste this red pom-pom lace. It is from Amazon as well, and I'll be providing you the link to this as well in the description box. I'm sticking the lace with my hot glue. Now as you see, I'm done pasting the red lace around the circle and the mirror. I will now be pasting pom-poms in the center of all the flowers that are there on the placemat. And the two mirrors are done. I will be pasting a hook at the back of these mirrors and hanging them on the wall. See how easy it was to make these too. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with fun DIYs for you. Please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.